Hi guys, it's Nevada. Welcome back to my channel. Wanted to jump on here just to make some sort of an intro to this vlog. I packed a lot into this and I don't even think I'm quite done filming yet. But basically, you know, with the weather changing, I just really needed to do some sort of a spring cleaning. Spring cleaning for me honestly involves just things that I probably don't do as frequently as my either weekly or monthly cleaning. For sure, things that I've been putting off for way too long. It was nice to kind of get most of that done. I think I still have a few more things on my list, but figured I would take you through that. Also just wanted to do some, you know, self-care things for myself that I've been looking forward to and also kind of been wanting to do for a really long time. And one of them was getting a haircut with lots of layers and some curtain bangs, and I have a video of that too. The place I went to did such a great job. And then I also did a microneedling facial, which was really fun. So just a ton of things in this vlog. I hope that it motivates you guys to also do some spring cleaning and organization of your own, and just gets us all in that ready for summer mood. Have fun watching. I probably won't do an outro video for this either, so I'll see you guys next time. To start any day of planning, I always need a coffee, and so here's my aesthetic shot of making some coffee, and then I need to sit down and plan everything I want to get done in terms of making a checklist. This did take me, full transparency, about 3 different days just because I'm not trying to like clean and organize all day every day. So the first thing I wanted to do was organize the sink in my bathroom, and I figured I would clean while I was down there. So cleaned out my brushes, which if you've been putting off cleaning your combs and brushes, do that ASAP. And then I got these boxes and Lazy Susan from Amazon just to organize my hair tools and also hair products. I'm still figuring out what's the best way to organize my tools, and I kind of like this acrylic setup. It's supposed to be a shelf that you put or stick onto the cabinet door, but I like it standing up and it actually made it really useful. Also, this is my new Shark Flex styler, whatever it's called. I love it. It's cheaper than the Dyson, works really well for thicker, longer hair, so it's been my go-to. And that is the bathroom cabinet, fully organized. Next on the list is vacuuming the places you don't frequently vacuum. So cleaned off my couch and vacuumed in all the crevices, and also did some dog and cat hair removal. The ledges and the corners on the floor, and then also underneath your fridge and oven, all of those places that you may not usually get to. I also took this time to clean my Nespresso machine because you need to do that every once in a while. So washed both sides of it and then also ran the cleaner through it, which I didn't show. I also bought this black standing organizer for underneath the kitchen sink, and so didn't show all of the organizing, but it does clear up the space just a little bit. Let me tell you, this is probably my least favorite chore, and I really only do it once every 6 months, which probably isn't the right thing to do, but it's cleaning out the litter box completely. So emptied out the old litter, bleach cleaned it on the inside, and then replaced it with new litter, and then also cleaned my litter genie while I was at it. I think because I only have one cat, I can get away with delaying it this long, but if you have more than one cat, you definitely have to be cleaning out your litter box more frequently. One of the other days, because the weather was finally starting to get nice, I went out onto the balcony and repotted some of the plants that were in desperate need of repotting. I am very, very grateful to have my balcony space, especially in nice weather. Me, Django, and Harriet are literally out there all the time. Another task that I put off for a really long time, especially because it's May now as I'm doing this voiceover, is taking down the Christmas lights. It has been 5 months. So finally took down the Christmas lights. Really didn't take as long as I thought it would. And then the following day, I decided to switch out my winter clothes for my spring summer clothes. Now, I will say I don't have a lot of super winter bulky items and super summer items. It's really just the heavy sweaters and the super short shorts that come out in the summer. Otherwise, everything is pretty overlapping for seasons. So really just packing away the heavy winter items in these little packing cubes. And then finished up the balcony setup. This is Django loving the sun. He's just roasting out there. But I decided it was time to put out the cushions. The best part of my balcony is easily this egg chair, which I got from Walmart. And this is where I'll be for all of summer, basically. And last but not least, I wanted to take you on my self-care journey. I did my very first microneedling appointment, which surprisingly, with the lidocaine that they applied, I didn't feel a single thing. If anything, it was the lidocaine that kind of tingled and burned initially, but the needling process, completely painless. I did not get super, super red, and I only had a few little abrasions along my nose, but they healed within, honestly, 2 to 3 days. So not super red, but I can see how other people could get more red based on how sensitive they are. And then my mom and I had a little hair care date. So I got a haircut and my mom got a nice little blowout. It's a very cute day, very fun. Yeah, okay, that's cute. I definitely went all out with this 90s shag blowout. And so far, I am absolutely loving it.
So voluminous.
Cute? Great. And then finally, with the nice weather upon us, I went out and got my nails done as well. I've given up on gel and acrylics for my hands. I am back to just doing a straight nail polish, but instead I decided to splurge on a little birthday deluxe pedicure treatment, so that was really nice, and obviously went hot pink with the toes and then super natural from my hands. But that was it. Thank you for joining me on this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, bye.